In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to trim away distractions and frame your subject so your design looks clean and intentional, whether you're working on the web or on mobile. Start by opening your design in Adobe Express. If you've already got a project going, open it from your recent files. If you're starting fresh, pick a canvas size that matches where your design will live, like a social post or a flyer. This helps you crop with your final layout in mind from the very beginning. Next, add your image to the canvas or select the one that's already there. If you're adding a new image, look for the plus button or the add option, then choose your source, your device, your library, or stock photos. Once your image is on the canvas, click or tap it so the image toolbar appears. Now find the crop option in the image toolbar. On desktop, you'll usually see it at the top of the screen or in the right-hand side panel when the image is selected. On mobile, it may appear in the bottom action bar or under an edit menu. If you don't see the word crop immediately, look for edit image or similar. Crop is typically inside that panel. When the crop controls appear, you'll see handles on the corners and edges of a bounding box. Drag those handles inward to remove the parts you don't want. Focus on the areas that matter most to your story. Tighten the frame around your subject, remove empty space, or trim out anything distracting near the edges. You can also click and drag inside the crop box to nudge the image around, making sure the most important details stay centered or aligned where you want them. If you see options for aspect ratios, choose one that fits your destination, like square for many social posts, or keep it freeform if you need a custom crop. On mobile, pinch to zoom and drag with your finger for precise positioning. When you're happy with the framing, confirm the crop by selecting Done or Apply. Don't worry, you can always select the image again and reopen crop if you want to refine it later. From here, continue editing your design. Add text to reinforce your message. Drop in shapes to create contrast or adjust alignment so everything feels balanced. Small tweaks like spacing and color can make your newly cropped image pop even more. That's it. You've cropped your image in Adobe Express and set up your design for a stronger visual impact. Keep experimenting with crops and compositions to see how they change the feel of your layout.